Located in the heart of the Ruhr region, the St. Lucas Society, consisting of 3 clinics and a senior center, is always there for you. Over 1,600 employees help our patients by providing diverse healthcare and medical services. Our professional competences are especially focused to best suit your needs. The gynecology and maternity clinics in St. Joseph's Hospital, located on the south side of Dortmund, and in St. Rochus Hospital in Castrop-Rauxel, offer you all of the most modern breast cancer therapy methods available today. Both clinics are breast centers. That means everything that is required is only a short distance away, and our teams are able to provide a perfectly coordinated therapy. Breast cancer therapy is one of the success stories of modern medicine. Over the last 25 years, many new treatment methods have been developed, so that today we can offer every patient an optimal form of therapy that has been customized to meet her specific needs. As a breast center, we're part of the RUCCC, which is the Comprehensive Cancer Center at Ruhr University. As a breast center, we naturally operate in accordance with defined standards, with so-called guidelines. If your gynecologist refers you to one of our clinics, we will first perform a mammography and breast ultrasound. I've held the DEGUM Level 2 qualification in the area of breast ultrasound for 3 years now. This qualification ensures that patients are given a high-quality ultrasound. Additional important findings are provided to us through imaging processes such as magnetic resonance tomography or computer tomography. All outpatient tests are conducted on one day and without any extensive waiting periods. We will inform you of the precise diagnosis and treatment methods during a personal, individual appointment. During our weekly tumor conference, we discuss each case individually within an interdisciplinary team of specialists. We mutually consult regarding the pending measures and supplementary therapies available. The goal is always to treat each patient in a timely manner and in the best possible way. Today, in the operating room, we can deal with the majority of the cases in a manner which does not require the removal of the breast. This pertains to over 80% of all cases. At the same time, the so-called sentinel lymph node, which is the first lymph node responsible for draining the lymph, is removed and analyzed. Only in rare cases, if the cancer occurs in several areas within the breast, the removal of the breast may be unavoidable. Subsequently, we offer reconstructive breast surgery. Aside from the operation, today's modern breast cancer therapies consist of 3 therapeutic options: radiation treatment, chemotherapy, and antibody therapy. The risk of renewed tumor growth can be significantly reduced through an individually conducted and well-tolerated radiation treatment following the operation. We strive to advise and accompany our patients in the best possible way. In order to do so, we stay in close contact with you and your gynecologist. If desired, our psycho-oncologist will assist you in dealing with the illness. The social services staff will organize your rehabilitation treatments upon conclusion of the inpatient and outpatient therapeutic measures. One very important factor, regardless of all the medical advances in antibody and radiation treatment, is the factor of time. We mean the time that is spent advising the patient. If one can take the time to convince the patient of the treatment's advantages and its use, then the treatment will be successful. Catholic St. Lucas Society, with heart and expertise.